Hi students, today we are going to read pages 104 to 105 of our textbook. Our textbook is this green book on in the edge. So pages 104 to 105. Where do my genes come from? Your genes come from your parents. Theirs come from their parents and so on, all the way back to the first living thing that ever existed. Genes are passed down through families, and that's why you probably look a bit like your parents. Physical characteristics like long eyelashes, red hair, freckles, or blue eyes run in families because they are controlled by genes. Half your genes come from your mother and half come from your father. They were passed on to you in chromosomes carried by sperm and egg cells. Sperm and egg cells have only 23 chromosomes each, half the usual amount. When they meet and form an embryo, they create a new person with a full set of 46 chromosomes. You actually have two sets of genes, one set from your mother and another from your father. These two genomes give you a mixture of your mother's and father's features. Perhaps you have your mother's hair and your father's eyes, for instance. Every child in a family is different because the parents' genes are shuffled and then divided in two before making each sperm and egg cell. So each child gets a unique set of genes except for identical twins. And here we have a diagram that shows how parents pass along their genes. Mother, 46 chromosomes per cell, 23 are passed on to you. Father, 46 chromosomes per cell, 23 are passed to you. You, 46 chromosomes per cell. What's a dominant gene? Since you have two sets of genes, you have two options for everything. Take eye color, for instance. You get eye color genes from both parents, but you might get a gene for brown eyes from your mother and one for blue eyes from your father. Sometimes one option takes priority over the other. We call it a dominant gene. The brown eye gene is usually dominant over the blue eye gene, for instance. Genes that are overpowered by dominant genes are recessive. For a recessive gene to have an effect, you'll need two copies, one from each parent. Dominant eye color gene. If one of your parents has blue eyes and the other has brown eyes, you'll probably have brown eyes too. So here we see another diagram that explains how dominant eye color gene works. Okay, we'll stop there today. I'll see you later.